Alright, so this is the second hive I'm going into. Whoop, make all those guys mad. I know this one's got a internal feeder. Let's see what we got. Yeah, right there. Not bad, not bad. I'm just gonna blow a little bit of smoke. I'm gonna kind of keep them covered a little bit. Once again, if you want a screenshot, this is 500 milliliters going into a gallon. This is going to easily hold 4 of these. I'm treating them all as like they're big, deep doubles. I'm hoping soon, if these are effective and the demand goes up, the price will come down. So I'm anxious to see how well these videos turn out from this point of view with this new bee suit. Bee suit feels nice.